Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and much more. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.